Hello everyone, my essay talks about the importance of biodiversity and its advantages, in addition to the methods we need to follow in order to conserve biodiversity. First of all, I begin my essay by asking an argumentative question. Why is biodiversity important in our lives, and what are its advantages? Then I started illustrating how biodiversity is basis of life on Earth and how it's basic for the working of organic groups. In fact, people depend on biodiversity in many ways, investing more energy and by eating variety of food, workplaces, shelter, lanes, and shopping centers, tourism. Eldridge said in his book Life on Earth, human beings depend upon biodiversity in obvious as well as unimaginable ways. We spend increasingly more time in built environments, immersed in our virtual world, surrounded by houses and offices, streets and shopping malls, with nature contained in an aquaria in our living rooms, or manicured parks to which we drive. These environs disconnect us from the natural world to the point that we forget how important biodiversity is for us. Next, I shifted to talk about the global issues that affect biodiversity negatively. First, I talked about climate change that impacts individuals, communities, economics, and environments, which is defined as changes in the Earth's weather due to the increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. Another global issue that threatens Earth is the loss of biodiversity, which is caused by the effects of individuals on the world's nature, as K. J. Gaston said in his book Biodiversity. The construction of an inventory of the Earth's species is harmed severely by the fact that only a fraction of the total number of species have been formally taxonomically described. Even determining how large a fraction is complicated by the absence of a definitive listing of all described species and their status, whether they are presently regarded as valid species or not. Finally, I concluded my essay talking about the ways people should follow to conserve biodiversity and how they should be aware to biodiversity.